Now, there are a couple of ways of getting our images and titles in here. File and Import has a keyboard shortcut of Control-I. My favorite way is just to double click in a blank space in that asset box, and Premiere figures out, oh, you want to import something. Now, one of the reasons we put all of those in a single folder is so that we can avoid just importing all of these separately. I'm going to go back to my video project folder, and look right here, there's a button that says import that folder since I have it selected. We don't want to import the Premiere project into itself. That'll cause problems, of course. We're going to import that whole folder, and now you see it here in our asset box. Now I can expand that folder just like with File Explorer. Let me make this half of the screen a little bit bigger, and you can see all of our pictures here. You can see that warning color and master are outside of the folder, so if I collapse it, I can see them. Sometimes we end up putting things in here and collapsing it, and then we don't know where they are. We are going to be putting these titles and images on our master timeline. I've pre-made this master timeline to be 1920 by 1080.